Hey there guys, it's PC Guy here, and today we're going to be talking about storage. Types of storage like processor, cache or RAM hold information but are too small and cannot save the data when the PC is off. What we usually refer to as PC storage are hard drives, solid-state drives or M.2 drives, which save data when not powered. Hard drives have actual spinning disks and are usually slower, cheaper and bigger than other drives. They can last for a number of years but are prone to mechanical failure from the moving parts. SSDs are faster and more silent than HDDs, although they are smaller and much more expensive, and last for a certain amount of write cycles, which for a typical user would be several years. M.2 drives plug in directly to your motherboard, unlike the other types that use a SATA cable, and require compatible boards. They can be NVMe or SATA communication protocol, so check your boards for compatibility. They are faster than the SSDs, but they are still smaller and more expensive. Having an SSD or an M.2 drive for your Windows installation will greatly improve the performance of your system. That was a quick run on storage types. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content, leave a comment or suggestion down below, and I'll see you next time.